Hi guys, this is Earl Carmelo and super sabihin na sobrang ganda ng trailer and sobrang exciting. First up, congratulations of course sa director, sa lahat ng cast and sa production and especially sa kaibigan namin na si Kai. Kai, congrats, ang ganda and excited na kami lahat mapanood. Sana mapanood nyo rin at masuportahan yung film na Stay With Me.
Congratulations at your new movie na Stay With Me. Napakaganda niya talaga at super galing mo. I can wait for your next one. For sure na mas maganda yan. More power to you and I'll see you soon in Hong Kong.
Hi guys, napanood ko na ang ganda ng film Stay With Me. Ang ganda-ganda, ang ganda-ganda ng film. Nakaka-in love siya, nakakakilig siya. Cha, ang galing-galing mo. You're the best. You made me proud. I love you. I love you so much. And congratulations sa inyo. Congratulations direct. Congratulations to the whole cast. Sa lahat ng bumuo ng film na to. Congratulations. I'm looking forward for the next project. And guys, please do watch. Stay With Me. Huwag niyong kaliligtaan. Don't forget to watch it. Stay With Me. Hindi kayo magsisisi. Ang ganda. O ulit-ulitin yung panoorin. I love you. I love you all. I love you, Cha. I love you, Cha. Ako ang number 1 fan mo. Alam mo yan. Always. And wala na akong masabi kundi keep it up. Keep it up. You will do more film after this. Just believe in yourself. Have faith. And yes. Thank you everyone. Congratulations everyone. Ang ganda ng film. So, abangan. Stay with me.
Hey guys! Hey chap! Finally! I know I'm delayed but finally napanood ko na. Sobrang galing. I'm so proud of you. I'm proud of you guys, the director, the cast, all people that were involved. Sobrang nakakatuwa. Sobrang nakakakilig. For everyone watching this, you only have one job to do tomorrow. Make sure you go see Stay With Me. Sobrang galing talaga. Very, very proud of you guys. Excited for all of you guys to see it.
Half close ba?
Hinarealize mo. Lalabas ka ganun ka. Ay, baka minti.
Hindi, ganun pa rin ang ano natin, yung eksena kanina.
Nagtuturo na si Gail, ba?
Ay, kita.
Nagagalit na, sorry.
Hi guys, I'm with Jewel. Hi Jewel. So,
Good morning.
Thank you so much sa lahat ng ano ba? Wala lang. Tapos na yung shoot namin ng Stay With Me. So, abangan siya this coming February. Hindi pa namin alam kung saan siya i-show, pero maganda siya kasi talagang grabe. Binigay namin yung best namin. Umabot kami ng 5 AM na para nang sa sobrang nakakaiyak lang kasi ayun, ang dami kong pasagay. So, kasi talagang totoo yung talagang totoo yung mga eksena namin. As in, talagang todo bigay. And ang gagaling ng mga kasama ko. So, yun, sana guys, panoorin nyo dahil talagang sobrang ang ganda and ang dami talaga nag-sacrifice at nag-tiis para lang maging maayos. Ayun lamang. Grabe, ang pasa ko. Si Jewel, ang aking. Jewel, labas ka na dyan.
Bye!
Ano,
I'm just going to buy something outside Uncle John's store. Bye-bye.